Hey guys, just going through a pre-market prep today that we did. The pre-market, we had some really good runners today. We had Sarah started basing out at about 350, ran up pre-market 589 when it broke over the 586 area. Really skyrocketed right there. So very good trading. I think a lot of people, guys. MLGO started really breaking out. Just took some of these trades. I was sleeping some of the time, trying to rest up, but you clearly see these little pads where they're just patching up the whole time. Clearly our normal breakout patterns where it's just basing, checking the area, and then it finally breaks through. Again, basing, checking, and then impulsing. Basing, checking, then impulsing, and then one more good climb at the end and a scalped a lot in the middle right here, a lot. So easy, good trades right here. Let me go through a couple more pre-market gainers. This one broke down after the market. It's regaining right now. It's kind of tapping out, but that has a regain over VWAP, which is one of our strategies. This would probably been the best short. I think I was at a trading lesson and was looking at this the whole time in pre. I had a little bit of run up here, but then just too much of a run up. So perfect little short. That had been just juicy for anybody who jumped that in at VWAP up here. Probably the best trade you've ever had in shorting. This is another one that popped up, kind of really just slowly broke back down. But if you'd have got in here at these little areas for a short at $36 is really good. It's just a lot of jump that cannot sustain. So shorting that in pre-market to the rest of the day, those are really good ones. I hope some of y'all grab those. Go to one day. I think we had MLGO. I think we just saw that. Might take off again pretty soon at about 10:30. Price range, I think it was 1030 or 1040 price range. I think 1080, so I apologize. Let's go back to that and just look at it real quick. If it could really gain that 1040 area, it is after hours and these people forget that they have stop losses and stuff like that. That's probably what's going to happen. Sarah just broke down. Leju, didn't look at that. Very little volume. I don't trade that kind of stock right here. Saito, that was a very nice clean runner. It's just been stair-stepping up over and over again. So you'll see it just taking a nice thing. Nice free float for it to gain up right over here. You can say this is pre-market high. You can also say this was over yesterday's high of the day as well. That's a good one right here. And this trade here and breakdown, take it again over the yesterday's previous high. So that's where I had my alerts. Took some of those trades and I'm going to reset them up here because I reset my alerts as much as possible so I don't miss too many trades. And then I doubt there's any after hour runners this early because it's just started, but let's check them out anyway. All right, well, this is, it could be. We'll just keep our eyes on it. Don't trade the first run up and then let it reprove itself. Here's one that's kind of forming about 23,000 shares. This one's already up and down. Well, just make sure it proves itself. Obviously, this just ran $7. So if you're going to do anything, at least go over the high of the day. Draw your Fibonacci's. I like them to the low in the closest area. And then just set some alerts. And obviously, if you can reprove over 43.90, take a trade. You don't have to take that many shares. But if it does regain here, which I don't know if it's going to, but that's a lot of shares. That's 60,000 shares stock from 36 to 47. So we will see if that can regain and really build up again. So there's your fibs, there's your day retract. Here's this one still moving a lot, but it's moving down. So there's your daily recap, basically taking trades over VWAP. You can also take breakout trades, and then if you start seeing a little bit more confluence, take a little bit lower on the dip trade. Here's one's running currently as we're looking at it. We'll see why. Thank you.